In this video, we're looking at a question from a past paper showing scattergram correlation coefficients. The question is, the calculated value of R for a Pearson's test was plus 0.42. Which one of the following scattergrams best represents a correlation coefficient of plus 0.42? The number 0.42 tells you how strong the relationship is. A simple way to think about strength is 0.0 to 0.2 equals very weak. 0.3 to 0.5 equals moderate. 0.6 to 0.8 equals strong. 0.9 to 1.0 equals very strong, almost a straight line. So plus 0.42 is a moderate positive correlation. That means points should generally rise left to right, but they won't sit tightly on the line. There should be noticeable scatter. Apply this to the four options. Option A, downward slope, negative correlation. So it can't be plus 0.42. Option B, clear upward line with points very close to it. Strong positive correlation that looks more like plus 0.8 or plus 0.9, not plus 0.42. Option C, upward trend, positive. But the points are fairly spread out. Moderate, not strong. That matches plus 0.42. Correct answer C. To sum up, here's a quick exam technique for this kind of question. When you see R equals plus 0.42, do this in your head. Plus sign. Pick a graph that slopes up 0.42. Choose the one that's not too tight, not too messy. Eliminate negative slope graphs, very tight, almost straight line positive graphs. That leads you straight to C.